wish that you could get a snapshot. I love reading stories that occurred during World for our audience. Go to Blinkist.com premium subscriptions for the price of one.
Okay, Garmin.
So Joe comes back around
Save
the
video.
He throws the supplies with the wind. It misses the target, hits the edge of the tower, bounces off the top, and falls 50 feet down before getting snagged on rocks.
I actually had the opportunity to make this with Levi Roots last year. Wow. My God, did I?
Yeah. Whoa! This fucking... I just got that shit on video.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be driving if I need to be. Shit, I don't know.
These guys were
Pulling out a snake. Oh,
no, they
It's
got
pulling
in
out a
trouble.
python.
Something happened, like it's at a pet store. or
Killing
something
over
like
300 pythons and a boa constrictor.
But they did, like, they killed the wrong one or something like that. One of these was pregnant, had like 50 in it inside of it or something.
So why are they killing these things?
They're in Florida and they're.
Oh, so
This route avoids road closures on I-65 South between exits 113 and 110A. You are on the best route. You should reach your destination by 4:09 p.m.
Fucking moron.
she says, there was like a puppet.
Is everyone all right?
What the fuck?
Very little production when he was on the field and telling us how serious this injury is. You can't have your cake and eat it too. And
What are you
such
doing?
A brainer for me now.
Is this north, south, east, west, or is it a different?
North, south, east, west. Whoa, guy running a red light.
Yeah, that was
That light was
definitely
super
red light.
red.